Today we're going to be looking at an updated version of my xaphan farm that is way more efficient. Alright, so let's get right into this tutorial. We're just going to need a few things. So we're going to need to lay out a little 7 long thing. It's going to be 4 wide in the middle. 7 again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on each side, we're going to build up another block. Then we want to put pistons lining this thing. It's going to be 7 long, so you need 14 pistons in total. And then we want to come off to one side, just like this. And we want to lay a bunch of redstone down like this. Just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and build our little redstone clock here. So, you're going to need 2 repeaters set all the way to the max, and then 1 repeater on this first or second tick. You just play around with that in your world and see what works best. So we'll go ahead and put a lever on this so we can turn it on and off. Alright, so now we've got the basic part of this done. We want to go out here, put some stone bricks, just like this. So then we want to fill this whole thing in with water, only in these little gaps on the side here. So that should create an infinite source that the lava will come down onto, so we can go ahead and fill that in, just like that. So then we're going to go ahead and want to start building these walls up. I recommend using slabs so you can make sure you hit all of them. And we're just going to bring that all the way around, just like that. Then we can go up another layer, bring it all the way around again. And then we're going to top this thing off. Just like that right there. And we'll have a little way to get up right here. So then what we also want to do is we need to get a dispenser and a lava bucket. Just like this. So you want to go to the back of your farm and put this in the middle facing inward. There. Actually, we're going to put that one higher so it doesn't interfere with that redstone. So come in. We put that up there. We can close that back off. And now we're going to run some blocks over this way. Just like that. We're going to run redstone over to this dispenser. And we want to make sure we put a lava bucket in this dispenser. So then we're going to take a button. We can put it up there so it activates that redstone. And this is the basic design of the farm already built. So all we have to do now is turn on this redstone clock right here. That gets the pistons moving. This will turn the lava on. And the way this farm works is the xaphan spawn whenever there's lava going on top of water. So these pistons basically trick it into thinking that it's creating stone. And sometimes eventually will create a little bit of stone. You have to go clear it out. But that's no big deal. It doesn't happen that often. So now that our farm is started up, we're going to go into hard mode. And we're just going to watch it work. Alright, so now that we've gotten a few xaphan spawning after about, I'd say, a minute, we can take the lava back. We just keep letting these pistons run. And then you grab a sword. So that's our updated tutorial for today. Like, comment, subscribe, share for more content.
It's all about humanity.